Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on natural gas, and we'll start with the daily here. It is a bullish reversal candlestick, but it's still a lower low pattern where we hit a new low today. And there's an upper wick showing a bunch of profit taking. So we need to keep that in mind. It is a fairly weak bullish reversal candlestick, all things considered. This was a much stronger one back on Wednesday of last week that saw no real follow through. So we'll see if we can get follow through tomorrow, which is exactly what the bulls need to establish that 333 is a new support level and our higher low to be watching. Otherwise, we're looking down at 328. So let's look at the hourly time frame and see what the bulls need to do to change this trend. And we have a double top. And this support, it's a previous support at 3444, consolidation right here. And then it was lost, it acted as resistance, and now here it is acting as resistance again. So all in all, after we close below this candlestick, we have now back tested and rejected from it 5 times in the past few days. So we had a high at 345 and then 3446. So, and then we bounced off previous support, then it was resistance, now it's back as support because the price is above it, down at 338. So we've got 338 support, 344 very tough resistance, and whichever we break first is going to indicate if we're continuing to pull back and we need to establish a new support level, or if 333 is going to be it, and the bulls can now work on getting some higher highs on this bounce. The 4-hour chart, let's see that MACD, that's an important indicator on the 4-hour. We did get the bull MACD cross. Now we're consolidating after that big bullish candlestick, and we need to see continuation and that break of 344. Weekly time frame, obviously just one trading day in the week, long way to go, but we're currently not confirming the bearish reversal candlestick of last week. We did see a big time setback because that candlestick opened already halfway down, but in terms of indicating consolidation may be over, if we get a break of 3444, it's a lot more likely that that is going to be the case. Obviously the inventory report on Thursday is going to play a big factor in this, but as of right now, bulls need that bullish reversal candlestick confirmed on the daily and a break of 3444, turning that back into support and putting our sights on 350, previous support, now psychological resistance. So we'll see how it plays out tomorrow. Clear resistance, and in terms of support, it's that low 333. And I do believe that the bulls are going to give that another shot to that resistance, 344, if not overnight, then early in the morning. Worth keeping an eye on. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how it played out with this channel. And I've got all these lines on the chart because these historical levels that had meaning back then might not have meaning for a few weeks, but once we get back to those levels, they'll certainly be worth keeping an eye on as well. See you tomorrow. Have a great night.